Hi, welcome back to my class in Analytic Geometry. In the last lesson, we took up the equation of a line in two-point form, as well as the meaning of slope. For today, we will take up equation of line in slope point form. The slope point form of the equation of the line is given by the following. This is the slope point form of equation of a line. And given here is the slope m, which we defined last meeting as the tangent of the angle of inclination of the line with respect to the horizontal. And the given point has coordinates x1 and y1. If you want to make use of this slope point form of equation of a line, the given should be the slope of the line. The slope of the line should be given and one point on the line should be given. Now we take an example for using this slope point form of equation of a line. To find the equation of the line, given the slope of the line and the point, 1 point on the line. Consider the following problem. Find the equation of the line with a slope of negative 2/3 and passing through 1/2 5. Draw the line. So we are asking this problem to find the equation of the line. The given information includes the slope of negative 2/3. The slope of the line is negative 2/3. And the slope of the line is denoted by m. Therefore, m equals negative 2/3. And the problem also says that the line is passing through the point 1/2 and 5. Through the point with coordinates 1/2, 5. And that is the point with coordinates x1, y1 in the point slope form. The one point that we need in using the slope point form is the point with coordinates x1, y1, and in the given problem, this given point has coordinates 1/2 and 5. And this implies that x1 is 1/2 and y1 is 5. Y1 equals 5. We only need two information for us to be able to find the equation of the line using this slope point form. The slope of the line and 1 point on the line. Now we substitute m, x1, y1 in this slope point form. And we write the equation of the line in standard form or general form, which is of this form: ax plus by plus c equals 0. We find the equation of the line using the slope point form or this form by substituting the given slope m and the coordinates of the given point. And we write the final answer, the equation of the line in standard form. In this form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. We have y minus y1. Minus y1, y1 is 5, equals m, the slope, negative 2/3, multiplied by x minus x1. x1 is 1/2. Now we simplify this equation for us to write the equation of the line in standard form. The left hand side we multiply by 3. We have 3 multiplied by y minus 5. And we apply the distributive property of multiplication over addition. We multiply x and negative 1/2 by negative 2 from the left. Negative 2 multiplied by x is negative 2x. We have negative times negative is positive. And 2 multiplied by 1/2, that's 2 over 2 or 1. From the left, we remove the grouping symbols again by using the multiplication property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. We multiply y and negative 5 by 3. 3 multiplied by y is 3y. 3 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 15. And we transpose negative 2x to the left side and positive 1 to the left side, because in standard form, one side of the equation is 0. And I chose to transpose negative 2x to the left so that the coefficient of x in standard form would be positive. So we transpose negative 2x to the left, we get positive 2x. And we transpose positive 1 to the left, we get negative 1 equals 0. In standard form, we write first the term containing the variable x. So we start with 2x, followed by the term containing y plus 3y. And we combine the constant terms. Negative 15 minus 1 is negative 16 equals 0. This is the equation of the line in standard form. This is the equation of the line in standard form with the slope of negative 2/3 and passing through the point 1/2 and 5. Now we check if the line will really pass through this point with coordinates 1/2 and 5. If the equation of the line is this, then the coordinates of this point on the line must satisfy the equation of the line passing through this point. So we substitute the value of x 1/2 and y 5 into the equation of the line, and the left hand side must be equal to 0. We have 2 multiplied by x. Our x is 1/2 plus 3 multiplied by y is 5 minus 16 equals 2 multiplied by 1/2 is 2 over 2 or 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 minus 16. We have 1 plus 15 is 16 minus 16 equals 0. Thus, we have checked that the point with coordinates 1/2 and 5 is a point on the line with equation 2x plus 3y minus 16, because the coordinates of this point satisfy the equation of the line. Similarly, we have checked that the line passes through the given point 1/2 and 5 because the coordinates of this point satisfy the equation of the line, which means that the point with coordinates 1/2 and 5 is really on the line with this equation 2x plus 3y minus 16 equals 0. Now we will sketch the graph of the line with equation 2x plus 3y minus 16. And we will do that by finding the intercepts of the line. We now sketch the line with equation 2x plus 3y minus 16 equals 0. And we draw the line in the Cartesian plane with two coordinate axes. The vertical axis is denoted by y. The horizontal axis is denoted by x. And at the intersection of the two axes is the origin denoted by 0. As I said earlier, we draw the line by finding the intercepts of the line. And we start with the X-Intercept. The X-Intercept is the point of intersection of the line and the x-axis. And the X-Intercept is a point on the x-axis. We know that any point on the x-axis, the ordinate y has a value 0. Thus, to find the X-Intercept of the line, we set y to 0 in the equation of the line and we solve for x. If y equals 0, we get 2x, and y is 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. So 3y will go if y is 0, and we have 2x minus 16 equals 0. And this is now a linear equation in one variable x. And we solve for x from this equation. We transpose negative 16 to the right, it becomes positive 16. At the left hand side, we have 2x equals positive 16. And in the final solution, or value of x, the coefficient of x must be positive 1. Therefore, we divide the left side by 2. And we also divide the right hand side by 2. And 2 will cancel out from the left side. We get x equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. And locate this point in the horizontal axis to the right of 0. I will use 2 unit intervals for the horizontal axis or x-axis. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. The line will pass through this point on the x-axis. This point has coordinates 8 for x and 0 for y. Next, we find the Y-intercept or the point of intersection of the line and the y-axis or vertical axis. The Y-intercept is a point on the y-axis, and any point on the y-axis has abscissa or value of x equals to 0. Thus, to find the y-intercept of the line, you set x to 0 in the equation of the line and solve for y. We set x equals 0. If x is 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Hence, 2x will go if x is 0. And 0 plus 3y is 3y. Minus 16 equals 0. And this is now a linear equation in one variable y, from which we will solve now for y. We transpose negative 16 to the right hand side, and we are left with 3y at the left hand side. Negative 16 transposed to the right, it becomes positive 16. And to solve for y, we divide the left side by 3 and divide the right side by 3. 3 will cancel out from the left hand side, and you may use your calculator to give your answer in decimal number with 2 decimal places. 16 divided by 3 is 5.33. And we locate this point in the y-axis above the x-axis. Again, I will use a 2 unit intervals for the vertical axis y. So this is 2, 4, 6, and we approximate 5.33. 2, 4. This is 5.33. The line will pass through this point on the y-axis, and this point has coordinates x is 0, and y is 5.33. Now to draw the line, simply connect the intercepts because the line will pass through these points, or through these two intercepts, we connect these two intercepts with this straight line. And don't forget to label the line with its equation 2x. This line is the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y minus 16 equals 0. And you can check by the appearance of the line that the slope of this line must be negative. And we are given that the slope of this line is negative 2/3. Now for your practice, please try the following problem. Find the equation of the line with a slope of 3/4 and passing through -4, -1. Draw the line. Again, the given in this problem is the slope of the line 3/4 and 1 point on the line with coordinates -4, -1. Thus, you will make use of the slope point form of equation of the line. You are asked to draw the line. The easiest way is to find the intercepts of the line, as we did in this example, and connect the intercepts with a straight line. For you to check your answer, the answer for this problem is 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals 0. This is the equation of the line in standard form with the slope of 3/4 and passing through the point -4, -1. If you have question about the lesson today, please ask your question in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe or ask your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Art Kalison. Thank you for being in my class today.